tiny 4.7 by 11.6 meter log house takes on the design of a Scandinavian home facade. These kinds of dark hues dominate the exterior and interior color schemes of this tiny cabin house, but the inside area has a well-balanced mix of dark and light colors. With its clear and expansive front apertures, the opening idea of this tiny cabin house tends to be prominent and allows for consideration of the response to the desired orientation of sunlight as intended by the designer. Aside from that, private and service space like bedrooms with loft beds and kitchen and bathroom section take up most of the back of the house. Thus, privacy concerns must be taken into account there. This tiny log house interior design is more contemporary and straightforward with a tendency towards Scandinavian design. This might be the result of taking into account the preference of the house owner and harmonizing with the external design of the structure. This tiny log house living room is positioned next to the large, clear window door opening, maximizing the amount of natural light that enters the room. In addition, this living room area has the potential to be both vertically and horizontally spacious. This is demonstrated by the absence of space separators and the direct elevation from the floor to ceiling without obstruction from the floor plate above. This kitchen space conveys a sense of being quite modern and industrial. This is due in part to the furniture selection that accentuates the industrial and modern vibe, as well as the color scheme of the kitchen piece. An intriguing feature of this design is the way the designer created a shelf on the kitchen table by suspending it from the ceiling and coordinating it with concept-driven lighting scheme. Because of this, the kitchen appears distinctive rather than boring, as modern concept kitchens typically do. The interesting thing is that the designer of this tiny cabin house also maximized the modern industrial concept in this bathroom area. As we can see here, by choosing materials, the designer arranged several bathroom fixtures including toilets, bathtub, and truly extraordinary sink design. This tiny cabin house modern and industrial impression is not limited to the other large space. Another intriguing aspect of this stair element is that, despite its severe and minimalistic appearance, it is really constructed structurally using a cantilever system that is incorporated in the wall, as spectators can see today. I believe that people who live in an area with a lot of stairs may become accustomed to the footing in between the steps, the height, and the erection when they cross the stairs on a daily basis. But not for regular people who are only now becoming accustomed to steps like this. Naturally, they will need to grow used to it over time while residing here. But this is really special. The tiny cabin dwelling is around 4.4 meters wide, as we can see here, and this loft bed area makes the most of that width. The loft floor and ceiling are only about 1.5 to 1.64 meter apart, depending on how the ceiling slopes. Yet this bedroom layout nevertheless seems very roomy. The location of the closet, whose shape follows the slope of the ceiling, is what dominates the back loft bed area. This is also a pretty intriguing feature. I genuinely admire the house's designer. What strikes me, though, is how inventively the designer used a space that is typically occupied by stair railing, which visually and functionally seems monotonous, to create something truly unique. In this case, the designer used the space not just for railings, but also for an extra cabinet in the bedroom. From this, viewers can judge the designer's extraordinary creativity. Although the tiny cabin house is generally a straightforward structure with possibly less artistic value than other large houses, this episode demonstrates how the designer's creativity, which is evident in every little detail of the house, gives the little cabin house its own unique artistic value. This is due to the fact that the setting of the modest log dwelling this time allows for the lovely and inspirational realization of art and creativity. I really thank everyone who watched this episode's video, and I'm looking forward to our upcoming video. Thank you.